Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will show to make this with After Effects. Let's get started. So friends, after finish video, I will share project files for download. First, let's select this image layer and Ctrl D, change image name window and go to solo. Let's zoom to here and let's select pen tool. Let's mask this part. Okay, clickation tool. Let's change this point like this. Okay, so let's go to effects presets. Let's search effect hue saturation. Select this hue saturation. Let's use for this window and click this checkbox. Let's change this setting 0. Okay, and change lightness -90. Okay, let's unsolo. Nice. So right now select this window and let's make new keyframe. Let's press U for see keyframes and go to 3 keyframes. 1, 2, 3. For shortcut you can use hold shift, press page down in the keyboard. And let's change right now settings like this. Okay, let's see. Nice, let's change a little bit. Okay, so let's go to 3 keyframe again. For fast way, click here, write +3. For go to 3 keyframes, click OK. Then select these keyframes, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Okay. So right now let's select these keyframes and Ctrl C for copy. Go to here, Ctrl V for random keyframes. Okay, let's go to here, press M for select work area. And let's see. Okay, that's good. So let's select these keyframes, move to left like this. And go to here, Ctrl V again. Let's see. Nice. Very good. So in this time, let's close keyframe settings and select this image. Let's Ctrl D and change name blur. Go to FS Control, search effect Gaussian blur, and let's use for this blur layer and change blurriness like this. Okay. Then go to pen tool and let's make like this blurriness. Okay, then press M, click this checkbox for inverted and open mask 1. For smooth blur, let's change mask feather. Clickation tool, let's see. Nice, very good. Okay, so right now let's create new null object. And for move to anchor point center, hold Ctrl, double click palm behind icon, clickation tool, and change name camera. Then let's enable blur and select all these image layers. Let's link to camera. Select camera and let's press S, make scale keyframe, go to last second and change scale like this. Let's see. Nice. Let's change this 110 for slow animation. Okay, very good. Okay, now let's select this move file and move to inside composition. This is smoke footage. Let's see. Go to solo. Okay, and let's unsolo. Press S, change scale. And let's go to here. If you not see this part, you can click toggle switch modes and change here screen. Then press T, change opacity. Let's change 50 and go to effects presets, search effect hue saturation. Let's use for the smoke and click this, change smoke to blue. Okay, change other settings. Okay, let's see. Nice. So in this time, let's go to project and select this music file, move to inside composition, then create new solid, add name music, click OK, go to FX presets, search effect audio, and let's use spectrum for this solid. Let's see. Okay, let's go to audio layer, let's select here music file, change inside color to white and outside color white. Okay, and let's play settings for better result. Let's first change this like this. Let's see. Okay, and change here bands 158. Okay, nice. And change height. Okay, that's good. So select the spectrum and let's move it down. Go to FX presets, search effect glow. Select this glow, let's use for this solid. And change glow. Like this. We can Control D for duplicate glow. Okay, nice. Then go to here, rectangle tool. And let's make like this rectangle. Clisation tool and close fill. Click here, select none. Go to stroke width, change 5. Okay, not bad. We can change width 3. Nice, and go to text, let's write here music name. Okay, clisation tool. This is Times New Roman font. And change font size 50. Move to here, move to center. Let's hold Ctrl, double click on behind icon for move anchor point center. And clisation tool, go to window, enable align. Click this and this for move to center. And also move to down. Okay, nice. And let's select work area like this. Okay, that's all. So thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.